undergarment.
The PHE department has resolved issues with Hima Mawphlang to get a clearance for construction of a pumping station located close to the Umyo River. PHE Minister Marcus Marak said that the issue has been finally resolved after the department and the Chief Secretary held meetings with Hima Mawphlang. He further said that now he is hopeful of starting the second phase of pumping stations under the Phase 3 of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, GSWSS.
Issues with Hima Mawphlang recently, department has already had a meeting, and even Chief Secretary has also had a meeting with the Hima Mawphlang, and then it's resolved now. So we are hopeful of starting the second phase of third phase pumping station in Hima Mawphlang.